Hey everyone, here I'm doing exercise 10.1 15th question. The chapter is Mensuration of Class 6. The question is, Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 75 meter. Who covers less distance? So they're talking about two girls. One is Sweetie and one more girl is Bulbul, and they're running around the square park and one is running around the rectangle park. We have to find out who is covering less distance, means who is covering less less distance. We have to find out how to do this. So since they are running around the square park, which means, like, I'm talking about the Sweetie first. Now Sweetie is running around the square park. This is a square I have taken to explain. So see, she's running around the square park, means you can look at the yellow marker which I'm using. They're talking about the perimeter here. So we have to find out the perimeter of side park. Same case goes for Bulbul also. Bulbul is running around the rectangle park, which means she is running around the perimeter of rectangle park, and length and breadth is given. So we're gonna first find out the perimeter of both square and rectangle, and then we're gonna compare which one is like less, and that girl we're gonna cover a less distance. So let's find out the perimeter of both the given shapes. So given, so first we're going to talk about the Sweetie. So I'm going to just write down here the side of the square park. So side is equal to 75 meter. So we know the perimeter of side is perimeter of square is 4 into side. So perimeter of square, we're talking about the square here. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 75 we have to do. So 4 into 75, which will become 300. So it will be 300 meter. Now we're going to do the same thing for the Bulbul case, which is a rectangle. We're going to find out the perimeter there. So we know length and breadth. Length is equal to 60 meter and breadth is equal to 45 meter. We're going to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. We're going to substitute the values here. So 2 into length is 60 plus breadth is 45. So this is equal to 2 into 60 plus 45 is 105. So 105 multiplied by 2 is equal to 210 meter. So we can see here that Sweetie runs a square park, and we got the perimeter of square park as 300 meter, and Bulbul runs around the rectangle park, and perimeter of rectangle park we got as 210 meter. Now which one is less here? Perimeter of rectangle is less, which means Bulbul has covered a less distance here because it is less than the perimeter of square. So from here we're going to conclude, therefore Bulbul covers less distance. That is because 210 is less than 300. So this will be the conclusion. I hope this question is clear, and in case you have any further question or doubt, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.